Hi everyone, my name is KOH HWEI MIN. Matric numbers is A21EM0071. This video is basically for SEMM2713 manufacturing process. Today I would like to share with you about plastic in automotive industry. My sharing can be divided into 6 parts. That is, introduction, plastic in the automotive, applications of the plastic, technological advances, conclusions, and reference. To begin, what are the plastic? Actually, plastic is a polymer. A polymer is an organic substance formed by a repeating unit of molecules. Plastics are also a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic compound material. The property of plastic depends on the molecular structure, such as linear, branch, closed links, and network. The general property of plastic are lightweight, corrosion resistant, cheap, electrical insulator, and high moldability. Plastic can be classified into two major types. They are thermoplastic and thermoset plastic. Thermoplastic can be softened and reformed after heating. It can be processed through extrusion, injection molding, and blow molding. It is also known as recyclable plastic. The examples of the thermoplastic are ABS, PVC, polyethylene, and nylon. In contrast, thermoset plastic cannot be reprocessed and reformed after heating. It forms a three-dimensional closed-link network. It is harder than thermoplastic and also known as single-use plastic. The example of the thermoset plastic is explosive, polyester, and melamine. Today, plastic play a crucial role in the automotive industry, enhancing functionality, design, and sustainability. In 1950, the thermoplastic debuted. A real revolution of plastic in the automotive industry begins, starting by ABS. Due to ease of manufacturing, design flexibility, and high performance at low cost, plastic became famous used in the automotive industry. Now, let us watch a video that shows how plastic is used in the automotive industry. This video will show the productions of the dashboard, including injection molding and thermoforming. we can see that a report from American Chemistry Council based on plastic and polymer composite in an average automobile. From this table, we can clearly see the polypropylene is the most widely used plastic in the automotive. Besides, we can see the numbers of the plastic and polymer composite used per vehicle increase year by year. Next is about applications of the plastic. For example, the main type of the plastic to make bumper is PS, ABS, PBT. For seating is PUR, PP, PVC, ABS, and PA. So, let me choose some types of the plastic to discuss further a bit. First is polypropylene, PP. This is the chemical structures of PP. Polypropylene is the most widely used plastic in the automotive industry. It is a semi-crystalline and highly performant plastic polymer. It is durable, highly moldable, and highly resistant to chemical and heat. So it is very suitable for making complex shape or design of automobile. The example of the parts made by PP are bumper fascia, dashboards, and also fluid system like gas can. Other than that, seating, body, under bonnet component, liquid component, interior trim like indoor carpet, electrical components such as cable insulation and battery boxes also made by polypropylene. Next is ABS. The full name of ABS is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. From its name, we know that the ABS is basically made up of three monomers. They are acrylonitrile, butadiene, and styrene, two polymerizations. The picture shows the chemical structures of ABS. ABS is a durable and strong plastic, so it can absorb the impact energy to keep the passenger safe. It also has a shiny and impure surface, so it is often used for enhancing good appearance decorations. It is dyeable and make the product aesthetically pleasing. It inhibits good electrical insulating property. The example of the parts made by ABS is steering cover, dashboard. There are two types of the dashboard in the pictures, and also wheel cover. Next slide is about polypropylene terephthalate, also known as PBT. PBT is a semi-crystalline and thermoplastic material. It is strong, tough, and stiff to provide excellent heat resistance. It has a high heat reflection temperature with a high temperature index rating, so it can protect the parts from ultraviolet radiation. It is excellent in chemical resistance, so it can avoid erosions after being exposure to chemicals such as alcohol, acid, or oil. The example of the parts are fog lamp housing, locking system housing, sunroof front part. Here is the chemical structures for PBT. Polyamide, PA, also known as non-6,6. It is durable and stable at high temperature. Its melting point is about 220 degrees Celsius. It has good wear resistance, fluid resistance, and an excellent oxygen barrier. It is a recyclable material. The advantage for PS is good water absorption capacity. It will expand when exposure to wet or humid conditions. Thus, fiberglass is added to reduce its water absorption capacity. Examples of parts is airbags and door handle. The main materials of airbags is polyamide. Polyurethane, PUR. The picture shows the chemical structures of PUR. Polyurethane is joined by the links of urethane. Urethane is basically carbamic ester obtained by condensations of ethanol with carbamic acid. The special of PUR is it has a soft touch skin, so it will give comfort to the driver and passenger. It is also lightweight, so it benefits from fluid economy. It has high moldability, resilience, and strength. Thus, it can protect the parts from the harsh sun ultraviolet rays. It also can shield the noise and heat from the engine due to its good heat insulation and excellent sound absorption. Examples of parts made by PUR are seat and parrots. So, let us talk about the technological advances. Toyota is a pioneer in introducing environment-friendly bioplastic into the automotive industry. For example, bio-PBT and biopolycarbonate. In the future, plastic in the automobile will be more focused on more advances sustainable, smart, and efficiency in manufacturing. First, about sustainable plastic. We are looking at bioplastics and recycled plastic. Plastic recycling often uses water to clean and cool. Next is advancing plastic technology. Plastic in the future will be lighter, high strength, and more durable. It also allows injection molding of the parts. Last is 3D printing. 3D printing fastens the manufacturing process. It also enables the production of a complex mold design. Currently, 3D printing have already become popular and a trend in the automotive industry. So, let us watch a video to see how 3D printing have affected the automotive industry.
Eckhart has been an industrial manufacturing solutions provider since 1958.
Radford's built a number of really cool cars, and we're revitalizing the brand.
We're the company that someone comes to and they need it built the first time.
Stratasys is announcing that we've become a NASCAR competition partner.
TRD finds itself in a very competitive business. 3D printing really allows us to stay at the forefront of that.
Working with Stratasys has been a great opportunity for us. Some of the benefits include getting around the tooling requirement of typical plastic parts, while also being able to have a quicker turnaround time as well.
We have printers on the shop floor, which is, that's the dream, right? I can create something in 3D, send it to the printer here, pull it straight off later that day, and we can just drop them on the car straight away.
We know we're always going to get a good quality product. We know we're not going to have issues with the printers. Once they show up, they're going to work.
We typically have all 3 printers running nonstop, 7 days a week. We produce hundreds, if not, depending upon what the builds are, thousands of parts for that time.
Some of the properties that we like about ABS-C F10 is it's lightweight and it gives the extra strength of material that people are looking for.
Eckhart's motto is for the life of your line. Anytime we can replace a historically metal component with a lightweight but equally strong, if not stronger, plastic component, then we believe we have fulfilled exactly the promise to our customers that we've made.
Now, a customer can hypothetically walk in, change that detail, and we can create a unique part, like a door card, that suits our customer. We get that one-off experience, and we have the ability to do that at the press of a button.
By going with the 3D printing technology, we're able to take a 3 to 4 month project and get it down in about 8 weeks.
I don't have any worries whatsoever. I start a print that's 3.5 days long, and the most inconvenient part is being impatient and waiting on the part to finish.
We took a lot of feedback and a lot of advice from the engineers and the experts at Stratasys to help direct us on what we really needed. That was a great dialogue back and forth between our engineers here and the engineers at Stratasys that led us to a solution.
Toyota has a reputation for very high quality, and one of the things that we have to do is pick partners such as Stratasys that can allow us to achieve that.
We have a lot of projects that are going on at one time with a lot of parts and a lot of stuff that needs to get done quickly, and we don't have the time to print a part 2, 3, 4 times to get it right. We need to have one and done, and we always get that with Stratasys.
Based on this video, we know 6 benefits for 3D printing in the automotive industry. First, rapid prototyping. Second, allow to design and modify a complex shape. Third, can customize the printer part. Fourth, reduce the overall weight of the parts and the design. Fifth, sustainability. And the last one is increased efficiency of manufacturing process. In conclusion, plastic have become a cornerstone in the automotive industry for improving fluid efficiency due to their lightweight, enhancing design flexibility, and contributing to safety feature and sustainability. As the industry continues to evolve, the role of the plastic is likely to expand, driven by innovation, environment considerations, and the ongoing quest for improving vehicle performance. Here are the references that I refer for this project. That's all for my sharing. Thank you for watching.